Hello traders, I'm making this video experimentally, and if I see it gets a response, I will continue with more such. And for other pairs, and for gold, and for some index, accordingly. We'll see. We'll go and see. So, what do we have here on the daily chart of Euro USD? We see that it has formed a very nice daily bullish order block, which if it breaks upwards, we will also take the buy side liquidity from equal highs, or the relevant equal highs that exist here, and possibly after this, we may have a reversal downward. Or if truly this, the sweeping liquidity that is occurred here in the return with this candle inside the order block, forming a second candle on Friday, which may be a bullish order block, and this will depend on Monday's news, because on Monday it's known that we also have the evening speech for Europe. The speech at the president of the Federal Reserve. So therefore, the target is definitely the liquidity that exists at the relevant equal highs that are here and above them, after the equal highs here, which has taken the liquidity, has gone, forming a bullish order block from these two negative bearish candles. These are the key points for the daily chart. If we now go to 4-hour time frame, let me clear it up a bit. Here we will see more detailed information with great interest. Here we see that we have a key point, ACB. Sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency, and a BC respectively. This is a very strong sign of reversal. It is a very strong sign that probably this whole pullback is over. And the price is aligned again. This whole leg we see here is aligned with the bullish dealing range on the 4-hour, which is and aligned with the dealing range, the upward dealing range on the daily. Let's return here with more detail later. Really the strong displacement. And the liquidity that it has taken from this upsilon, we see that has formed bullish order block also on the 4 hours, but the prices have done a rebalancing in the fair value gap of the 4-hour bullish fair value gap here, but they haven't moved. They barely move above 50% of the order block that has been formed. This gives me the impression that we might possibly see one more move downwards, and possibly we might have even a rebalancing of the fair value gap, of the last fair value gap. Probably the first one that was formed after the reversal, the reversal of the market. If we now go to the hourly, which is also interesting, we will really see that in this dealing range that has formed, which is aligned, as we mentioned, with the upward daily and the 4-hour, we see it here. There is still room because we are moving at the premium and above 75%, there is possibly a margin. And because this hourly fair value gap also helped the price to turn downward, to take liquidity from below and turn upwards, because the dealing range, the equilibrium of this dealing range is here. It's in the area of 1113. We also have the fair value gap here, which is inverse and which potentially might help as well to make a bounce here and turn upwards. And the 113, if we look at the 4-hour time frame in the 4-hour dealing range, if we divide this large displacement, we will see that in the region of 113, it is at 0.25, and also here, there is an inverse fair value gap. All these can serve as price support. And help the price to truly turn back up and go to capture all the liquidity on the buy side. Regarding the Euro USD, I will possibly return for other pairs as well. Probably for gold. The second